Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your DreamHost mail on your MacBook mail. So if you want to connect it to the mail on MacBooks, you will need to go ahead and create an email here on DreamHost. So you want to go ahead and create one fully hosted email. I cannot show you this because I already created one, but basically, you just choose a domain, enter the email address you want to create, and after that, you are able to create an email. And here you have now all the information you need. So once we are here on mail, we want to create our mailbox. So let's go ahead and create one on my Mac right there. So here you need to choose a mail account provider. So I'm just going to choose other and click continue. Now, after this, you will need to enter your name, email address, and password. So I'm just going to go back here to DreamHost, and here is my mailbox name, which I'm going to use. The email address would be this one. So let's go back, and the password, of course. So you just enter your password and you sign in. Now, we need to verify everything. So again, the username, we can enter it again. The account type would be POP, and incoming mail server would be popdreamhost.com, and outgoing should be SMTP DreamHost. And let's try to confirm it. And here it is. Now we have it right there. It's all connected because it's the same as on my DreamHost mail. I have the same message. So it's now all connected. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.